Sorry, Jay. Come on, everyone. Come on.
Leave Taffy alone.
Come on, Taffy. She came. That's why Jason didn't want them to come, because he said they'll just go over there. And I said, no, they won't, honey. Honey, they won't do that to us. My kiddos, what does she... They do feel like spongy. They feel like a bath mat. Just a sec, hon. Don't go so fast. I want to show everybody the view. It's currently low tide in Bear River. We're in Nova Scotia, Canada. Also, this little place is also known as the Little Switzerland of Canada. Thank you. We love living here. We moved here 5 years ago, and when we found this place... What? Ah! Shirley!
What was that?
What was a lion, baby lion? Oh my God. Oh. Oh my gosh. We have lions in our forest. We're very blessed. We have baby lions that just wander in the forest. Thank you, Shirley. It's beautiful today. Thank you for the roses. Leon in the forest. Hi, Oscar. You look very lazy. Are you gonna come for a walk with us? Oh, it's Leon the kitten, dressed up like a... Oscar's enjoying the view. Let's see if Jason can get him to go down there.
Oscar.
He usually goes to that blue fence. Go see Papa. Oh, so beautiful. Hello, Oscar. Let's see what you have, Papa. His favorite. Oscar's favorite.
Look at the drool, eh? Holy.
He knew. We're in Nova Scotia, Canada. We're in Nova Scotia, Canada. Oh, you got another one?
Yeah.
Oscar, do you want me to give it to you?
Let's see if we can get Puddle to do the zoomies here.
Chick, 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 chick. Chick, 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 chick. Oh, I think I'm losing power.
Signal.
Oh, I hate when that... Oh, thank you for the hand heart. It's Alex. Alex. The plane.